Mary, do you have a minute?
Sure, John. What is it?
I need to schedule a meeting. The server is slow today.
A meeting? For the slow server?
Yes, I want to tell the whole team.
John, how many people need to fix this problem?
Well, just me, I think.
And do you already know the problem?
Yes, I need to restart the server.
So, this is an email, not a meeting.
An email?
Yes, write a short email. The server is slow. I will restart it now. Done.
That's it?
That's it. No meeting. Everyone stays focused.
You're right. I always do this.
Next time, ask, can I send an email? If yes, skip the meeting.
Good rule. I will remember that.
Great. Now go restart that server.
On it. Thanks, Mary.